In this video, I will show you how to use the Crosshair tool to measure pips. First thing, you click on the Crosshair tool. That's the Crosshair tool there. As you move the Crosshair tool on the chart, at the right-hand side, you'll find the price. And at the bottom, you'll find the date. After you click the Crosshair tool, click on the chart at the point where you want to start measuring pips and drag to the end point. The pips is the middle number. Ignore the last digit. So this is how you read the Crosshair tool. This first number here is the number of candles that you move across. This last number here is the price. And then the middle number gives you the number of pips. When you're reading the number of pips, you ignore the last digit. It's always the pipette. So this is 456. It will be 45 pips. Now let's go to the chart and I will show you some examples there. Suppose we want to measure the number of pips from the close of this candle here to the close of this candle. So you go up, that's your Crosshair tool there. You click on it. You align the horizontal line of the Crosshair tool to the close of this candle. The vertical line of the Crosshair tool doesn't matter. It can be anywhere. But a lot of times I like to put it a little away from this candle. So I align the horizontal line to the close of that candle, click and then hold and then drag across to the close of this candle, that horizontal line there, which is the close of the candle. So we see that it's 520. The middle number there is 520, so that is 52 pips. Let's look at another example. So suppose we were to measure the number of pips from the close of this candle to the close of this candle. Again, you click your Crosshair tool, align your horizontal line of the Crosshair tool with the close of this candle. Again, remember the vertical line doesn't matter. You can put the vertical line, it can be anywhere. So we align there, click, hold, and then drag down to the close of that candle. And that is 16 pips. When you look at that middle number, you have 160, which is the same as 16 pips. I hope this helps.